In this lecture, we'll see how we can store, retrieve, and check for data values. And some of the commands that we'll be using for doing all this are set, get, and exists. So these are the most important commands in Redis, and these commands are used as per their name itself to store or set, retrieve or get, and to check or exists from a Redis server. Now, just like these commands, the pRedis class that we have can be used to perform Redis operations by methods with the same name as commands. So here in our code view, so once we have our Redis client invoked using the Redis library, so we are saying set a key publisher with this value skill bakery, and then in order to check that key exists or not, we are saying Redis exists, and then we are passing the key over here publisher. Now if the key exists, it's going to return true, and in that case we will be retrieving that value using the get method. So Redis get, and then we pass the key, and the value associated with this key is then assigned to this variable which is publisher over here. And finally we are showing it to the user. We are saying echo publisher is, and then the value that publisher variable stores is displayed. So using these three commands, set, exists, and get, we are able to store, check, and retrieve data from a Redis server. So let's run this one in browser and see it in action. And here we are. You can see that the output is coming as publisher is skill bakery. Now in the next lecture we'll be exploring some more commands and how they can be used with the Redis client.